Hey there, fellow Ukesters.
Hello.
It's Randy Clark and Mary Clark here for another episode of the Ukulele Club, the Cool Cat Ukulele Club. We used to meet every other Saturday at Lollipop Music in Princeton, and since the COVID virus stuff, we've been making videos for YouTube for those of you that want to continue playing and work on your skills and have some fun. It's with all the craziness going on in the world, it's good to be able to have a release, a healthy release, instead of maybe what some other people might do to relax and calm their nerves. This is a healthy alternative, and it's good for you. It stimulates your brain. It's a happy instrument. So it's a natural antidepressant, and boy, the more people you get involved in it, the better it gets. So anyways, enough of that. Mary and I are gonna lead you this session in a couple songs. We're gonna do Margaritaville from Jimmy Buffett, Runaway from Del Shannon, and we're going to do Somewhere Over the Rainbow as Israel. I can't even say his last name, but he was a big Hawaiian, great performer, great voice, and I think his version is probably the most widely used in the ukulele world. So, and it's a beautiful version, so that's the one we'll do. We're certainly not at that level, but you can have fun and enjoy this at any level, from beginning to intermediate to advanced. It's all fun, isn't it?
It is.
All right. So in Margaritaville, there's an advanced strum that I'll be doing. It's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, yeah. Now also, on this song, there's little musical interludes that I like to put in because it kind of helps guide the song. If you've listened to Jimmy Buffett, it's certainly we can't recreate exactly what he did in the studio or even in concert with a couple ukuleles, but there's little, like for example, there's searching for my lost shaker of soul. So anyways, I'll be doing that, and I'll provide some extra sheets with this as a PDF download through Lollipop's Facebook page that kind of covers a little more detailed stuff. Also, at the beginning of the song, I'm going to be putting that in, and there's little parts throughout the song where there's that little musical interlude thing. So again, I will provide additional sheets along with the main song sheet for those that want to perhaps add a little more spice to the song or work on a little more advanced skills. Mary's just going to be strumming straight on the beat. Nibbling on sponge cake, watching the sun bake. Yeah, so that's basically what we'll be doing. Not much in the way of chords here. There's a C chord, a G chord, an F chord, a G7 chord, think that's it. F, G, C, and a G7. Yeah. Okay, so pretty simple chords. There's a little intro, 4 measures, C, F, F, C. And while Mary's playing that, I'll be doing that little intro to that. Okay. So let's see if we can get this rolling, shall we? Okay, here we go. It's gonna be about that fast there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Here we go. Nibbling on sponge cake, watching the sun bake. All of those tourists all covered with oil. Strumming my 4-string on my front porch swing. Smell those shrimp, they're beginning to boil. Wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaker of salt. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I know it's nobody's fault. Don't know the reason I've stayed here all season. Nothing to show but this brand new tattoo. But it's a real beauty, a Mexican cutie. How it got here I haven't a clue. Wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaker of salt. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I know it's nobody's fault. Blew out my flip-flop, stepped on a pop-top, cut my heel, had to cruise on back home. But there's booze in the blender, and soon it will render that frozen concoction that helps me hang on. Wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaker of salt. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I know it's nobody's fault. Yes, and some people claim that there's a woman to blame, and I know it's my own damn fault.